So we pretty much got the block back in from the machine shop. And they were able to find rod bearings that I needed. I couldn't find them anywhere. I have no idea where they found it. Okay, so now we're just going to put RTV around this edges so that way it seals. The head studs in, and this is actually one I mean I pulled it out, so the next thing that's going on is the head. I've pulled it out of the box before just so that way I can take it to the machine shop because they also needed to do some work onto it, but that's one of the things I'm going to pull out right now and put it on. So that's exciting because it's been just sitting there for almost 6 months now. I believe it's about 6 months, and yeah, I haven't pulled that out of the box ever since that. And it actually has stage 2 cams with it that are GSCs. But before I go do that, this is actually a brand new head gasket. So head gaskets are easy, in my opinion, an easy job to do. I like doing head gaskets. Look at how nice these camshafts look though. And these are the stage 2s. Okay, so first for these studs you put washers on. It's kind of hard to get them in there too. I would suggest using a magnet. It makes life so much easier. Okay, so that is 30 foot-pounds, and we need to do that again 2 more times until we reach 90 pounds, because it says to do it in 3 steps. So we just did 30, and next we're doing 60, and the after one is 90.
Watching you when you leave. Something new. Keep hoping you feel this too. Hold it.
We're gonna do the timing chain right now. I actually had to go to Mitsubishi and pick up OEM parts. So I had to pick up a tensioner with OEM, and then the rails, the timing guide rails. So I'm thinking if I add the tensioner first, it'll make it so much easier. So the thing about these timing chains is that they have, so this one has gold, or is painted gold on the marks for the timing. So this is the camshaft one, if you can see it. So there's 2 gold right here. And the camshafts have a dot and another dot right here that'll align them. I'll show you once I put it all back together. So anyways, we have the build. It's already finished. So at the very end of the video, there is no audio because my camera wasn't picking it up, so sorry about that on that. But yeah, if you guys can like and subscribe, comment, you know, anything's appreciated. But yeah, if you like the video, share it, you know. But yeah, this engine is ready to drop in